Hi everyone, welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, we'll be discussing about how to send quick mail to the employees in Odoo 20. And currently this feature is right now available in Odoo 19.3, and we can say that this is one of the expected feature of Odoo 20. You can just move on to the employees over here. So as you just select any of the record from here, you can see that we'll be getting the action button. And from there, we'll be getting the option to send email. So right now in Odoo 20, we have the option to send uh, mail for multiple employees. So I'll be choosing multiple employees, ensure that all these employees have email address, and only they will be receiving the mails. And let's move on to the actions and choose send mail. Now here you can see that the mail will be receiving from the login user. Currently the login user is Mr. Redmi. And if you just want to create mass mailing, we can just enable this field so that you can just keep track of the mailing under the marketing audio. Now let me set the uh, subject as product launch, and afterwards you can set the content. So let me set it as product launch as the content, and you can move on to the settings. Under the settings, you can see that we have two options, which is to store email and replies in the chatter of each record, or collect replies on specific email address. I'll be choosing store email and replies in the chatter of each record. So when you choose this option, the employees will be receiving the mail in the chatter, and they can also reply for the mail in the chatter. But when you just go ahead with the second option, which is to collect replies on specific email address, then the employees will be only receiving the mail through their mailbox, and they can only make replies through the mailbox. Okay, so right now I'll be choosing the first option. Now let me click on send mass mailing. So as I just keep on send mass mailing here, you can see that these selected employees will be receiving mails from Michelle Edney. So as you just drag down here, you can see that they have received the mail through the chatter, and you can find the subject, the content, and you can just switch between different employees, and you can find the result over here. So that's how we manage with sending off uh, mail to multiple employees in a single click or quickly. And that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys, and thank you for watching the video.